Hi there! In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a flyout. Let's get started. Suppose you want to display a flyout on this page when the user clicks the Get Started button. First, we need to create a separate page for our flyout. Here's how. Inside the same folder as your main page, click to add a new page. Enter a name for the page. Uncheck the Routable checkbox so it works as a flyout instead of a separate navigation page. Click Create, and just like that, our flyout page is ready. Now let's design the flyout. Head over to Controls and drag the components you need onto the working area. Customize the labels and adjust the layout as needed. Once you're happy with the design, save your changes. Now, let's make the flyout appear when a user clicks a button. Go to your main page and select the button that should trigger the flyout. On the right-hand side, under Properties, go to Events. Click the plus icon next to the Click event. In the Select Action window, choose Open Flyout as the action. Set the type to Page. Select your newly created flyout page from the Page drop-down. Enter a title for the flyout. Choose where you want the flyout to appear, left, right, top, or bottom. Set the width to fit your design. Once everything is set, click Submit. Now save your work and preview the changes. And that's it. You have successfully created a flyout.